Well, here we are at Sunny Approach, and we have our Airstream back. Our Airstream Interstate 24. And it is back from the Airstream dealer. Now, when we brought it over to the dealer, it was spotless inside. And as you can see, it is really anything but spotless at the moment. Now, they did have some pretty large amount of things to fix, but I would have thought, maybe it's just me, that they might have put down something on the ground to keep it clean. So we will be cleaning this afternoon. A little more alarming is the amount of dirt on the countertop. And then it gets worse because, yes, you guessed it, these are mouse droppings. Now, there's no food left inside the camper while we had it at the dealer. And there's mouse droppings in the trash can drawer too. So we got that to deal with as well. On a positive note, which is what we always try to be here at Sunny Approach, it's working again. So we took it in because the Volta system was not working anymore, and we are now happy to report it says that we are connected, 30 amp shore manual, and our state of charge is looking better. We even have the little heated symbol to say that it is heating the pack up to 71 degrees. The other thing that we had them fix were the blinds, which weren't going up and down properly. So those are now doing exactly what we expect them to do. So that's a good thing. I'm very happy about that. And then on the outside of the camper, we had an issue with a window up here. And it was this window there, and it wasn't closing properly, so we've got that fixed now too. So overall, things are better than they were, but a little bit of extra work to do that we weren't really planning on having to do. But there you go. Not everybody is able to have everything perfect all of the time, and that includes us. But if you enjoy watching our videos and learning about our travels with our Airstream Interstate, we certainly invite you to become a subscriber to our channel. And we look forward to welcoming you back with a nice, clean, shiny camper. And then we're going to repeat some of our walkthrough videos with a little bit more of what we've learned after 6 months of ownership. So with that, we wish you all a very happy and sunny day.